I'm really excited today because we're cooking some meat and I'm also cooking with my mate, Dave. He's going to show me how to cook a lovely... It's a French dish, isn't it?
It is.
What's the dish?
Navarin d'agneau.
Navarin d'agneau, which is d'agneau is the lamb and Navarin is...
Is Navarin.
Navarin.
It's a lamb casserole.
Lamb casserole.
So spring lamb casserole. Usually lamb during springtime is the best vegetable at their peak. It's an amazing dish to have at home.
Now, how do we start this dish off?
So we have to pan fry the meat with some olive oil. So here we use the leg of lamb.
Yep.
And you can use the shoulder, you can use the neck.
And I'm going to stop you right there. You said pan fry, but we don't have a fry pan here.
Yeah, we're going to pan fry in a Cook Expert.
Okay.
13 different programs. It does everything.
Okay, well, what do we do? Just pop this straight in?
Just pop it inside.
Okay, here we go. And that's it? Anything else goes in there?
Some olive oil, please.
Olive oil, I'll hand that over to you.
Thank you.
And how much olive oil do you put in there?
Just be generous. Usually in France, we could put some butter.
Okay.
Because butter is life.
Well, yeah, you can put butter and olive oil in there.
But you can put both of them.
Okay, and you squeeze the lid on.
And
now, you've got a function now, haven't you?
Correct. So I just set it up at 140 degrees for 5 minutes.
Yep.
And action.
And what about the blades chopping it up?
No, it won't chop because the meat is raw right now. So we just pan frying the meat. And then after, when we keep cooking, we stop the blade to make movement.
And the blade just churns it and moves it around?
Slowly, like a spatula. And when that's cooking, you can do something else.
Okay, let's have a beer. Oh, there you go. And it even has a beep to tell you it's cooked. Oh, my goodness.
And you can hear the sizzling, okay? So that's very important to sizzle the meat.
Yep.
Adrian, can you chop the herb, please?
I can do that for you.
And I'm going to put the tomato paste.
Gotcha. That's a lot of frying action going on there. That's pretty powerful.
It's very powerful. It's induction as well, which is amazing.
Induction is really good with getting heat up really, really quickly.
Very fast, very precise.
Yep.
I put some fresh garlic.
And some tomato paste in there as well?
Tomato paste.
Gotcha.
Sugar.
Sugar? Why do you put sugar in?
To give you a bit of sweetness, because the tomato paste is quite acidic, so it's nice balance.
And I love sugar in just about everything.
And then I put the herbs in.
So I've got and rosemary?
Thyme, rosemary, and some bay leaves.
I've got that in there as well.
And some salt and pepper. Thanks, Richard.
Salt. A nice big pinch of salt goes in there.
Brilliant. And some pepper.
Pepper as well. Plenty of pepper.
Thank you so much.
I love pepper. You know, I love freshly milled pepper in here, black pepper, white pepper.
But I love white pepper.
White pepper's in there. Okay, there's plenty of pepper in there. Now, the lid goes on. How long do we cook it for now?
So now I'm going to put it for 3 minutes, and I'm going to take the lid off.
Now, why do you take the lid off?
To get the flavor coming out now. Like, you want the herbs and everything's cooking, so you don't want to slow the cooking, you want to go now fast.
Oh, you want lots of steam coming out,
Yes.
but we also want to smell it in the kitchen so we get that nice smell as you're cooking. And that reminds you of being at home in France, isn't it?
100%.
Walking through the door and it's all simmering away.
Maman.
Okay, there we go. On we go. Off comes the lid and then, oh, that's looking really good.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And the meat didn't break, so it's very important that the meat doesn't break.
Yep.
So now we're just going to make sure we bring everything in. And
Yep.
then I'm going to put the tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. You could use chopped tomatoes if you wanted to.
You could use chopped tomato,
Yep.
and then I use a nice stock. It could be a lamb stock, obviously, but if you have a chicken stock or beef stock, it's fine.
Lambs are actually quite strong in flavour as well. So if you haven't got any stock, you can use water and get away with that.
Correct.
Any white wine, red wine, you could put that in as well.
100%.
But we're keeping it nice and simple, aren't we?
Correct.
So on goes the lid. How long is it going to cook for now?
So I'm going to put it for an hour.
Yep.
Okay, 110 degrees,
So
and let it go.
So instead of 140, which we were before.
We just let it down slow cook now.
And that's going to simmer it away. And then once we've simmered away for an hour, we just have to take the lid off and put the veggies into it.
100%. So we're going to put all the spring vegetables where they peak in the seasons.
Yep.
Turnip, carrot, some shallot will give you a bit of sweetness.
Beautiful.
And beautiful.
We don't need to add sweetness. The sweetness is right here. Off we go.
Action.
That's looking good.
That's it.
Oh, ready to go. Now, you have to be careful taking the lid off, don't you?
Correct. With the steam, you don't want to get burned.
Yep. Off it comes.
But look at that,
Oh, lovely.
And then the smell, and the sauce already has got a great consistency.
But we know the lamb leg needs to cook a little bit longer, doesn't it?
Correct.
Okay. Now, we need these are called vegetables, aren't they? What do you call them in French?
That's a navet.
Navet, which is a turnip.
Turnip, very good.
And this is a carrot, or a carrot. Is that how you say it? What's a carrot in French?
Carotte.
Carottes, there we go. I knew it was the same thing. So you can use any vegetables, but these are the traditional vegetables
Yes,
to put
that's
in
you
there.
want some healthy vegetable, Some shallot, give you a bit of sweetness. I'm just going to cut that in 4.
Okay.
You will probably break apart into your casserole.
Yep. And the potato as well to help thicken it up?
Yes.
Okay. So, and we've got probably double the amount of vegetables to meat, which is going to soak up all that flavour as well, isn't it?
So we just put everything together.
Yeah. Okay, I'll throw this in here.
Thank you so much.
Now, you're going to put the lid on. How long are you going to cook it for now?
Now for an hour. And 15 minutes before, we're just going to finish it off with the last two vegetables. Here, very important, and now we're 110 degrees, and no movement with the blade. So it's just going to cook like a pot.
Ah, okay, beautiful. And that's it.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Well, I've got the parsley ready.
Look at that.
That looks great. It looks really, really good. Looks like the sauce is thickened up quite a lot as well.
Just can get some bread and get stuck into it. I'm just going to dish out.
Yep, put some in a bowl there. We don't want to eat it out of the Magimix. You can, but we're not going to. We're not barbarians. We're regular people. Oh, look at that. Nice big chunks of meat. And what I'm amazed is the Magimix hasn't chopped everything up. It's kept it fairly whole.
And even if the potatoes sort of start to break apart a little bit, it's okay.
Oh, come on, put some parsley on there. There we go. Oh, nice. Oh, let me taste that. I'm going to go for the veggies and the gravy as well.
I'll go for the meat.
The meat looks really tender, and I bet you it's moist, delicious, juicy.
And the best part is, even the next day is even better.
The next day, and the day after that,
And the day after.
there won't be anything left.
Bon appétit.